Nestled amidst the rolling hills and verdant forests of Jharkhand lies the unassuming town of Jhumri Tilaiya. It is a place where time seems to move at a gentler pace. The town whispers tales of a rich history and vibrant culture. Jhumri Tilaiya is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Jhumri Tilaiya is blessed with abundant natural beauty. The majestic Tilaiya Dam stands as a testament to human ingenuity while also creating a picturesque reservoir. Its shimmering waters reflect the clear blue sky, creating a scene of tranquility. The surrounding hills are cloaked in emerald forests, home to a diverse array of flora and fauna. Nature lovers will find themselves enchanted by the serenity and charm of this hidden paradise. The history of Jhumri Tilaiya is intertwined with the shimmering legacy of Mika. This small town, nestled in the heart of India, has a story that glitters as brightly as the mineral it is famous for. The tale of Jhumri Tilaiya is not just about the extraction of mica, but also about the transformation of a community and the impact it had on the world. Mica, with its unique properties, has been a valuable resource for centuries. Its ability to withstand high temperatures and its electrical insulating properties made it indispensable in various industries, from electronics to cosmetics. The discovery of vast mica deposits in Jhumri Tilaiya brought about a significant change in the town's fortunes. Once known as the mica capital of the world, Jhumri Tilaiya attracted traders, miners and entrepreneurs from far and wide. The town's landscape was dotted with mica mines and its streets bustled with activity. The mica boom brought prosperity, but it also brought challenges. The town played a pivotal role in the global mica trade. Mica from Jhumri Tilaiya found its way into products used worldwide, from electrical insulators to beauty products. The town's name became synonymous with quality mica, and its reputation spread far and wide. The discovery of vast mica deposits in the region transformed Jhumri Tilaiya into a bustling hub of activity. Miners worked tirelessly, often in harsh conditions, to extract the precious mineral. Their efforts were not in vain, as the mica they unearthed powered industries and innovations around the globe. The mica boom brought about a period of rapid development. New businesses sprang up and the town's infrastructure improved. Schools, hospitals, and markets were established, catering to the growing population. The prosperity brought by mica was evident in every corner of Jhumri Tilaiya. Miners toiled tirelessly to extract the precious mineral, which found its way into various industries worldwide. The work was grueling, and the conditions were often dangerous, but the rewards were significant. The mica industry provided livelihoods for thousands of families and shaped the town's identity. Mica from Jhumri Tilaiya was processed and packaged in factories, ready to be shipped to different parts of the world. Its applications were vast, from electrical components to decorative items. The town's economy thrived on this trade, and its influence was felt far beyond its borders. The echoes of this glittering past can still be felt in Jhumri Tilaiya today. The remnants of old mica mines and historical landmarks stand as a testament to the town's rich heritage. The stories of the mica boom are passed down through generations, keeping the legacy alive. In the town's architecture and the stories passed down through generations, the legacy of mica continues to shine. Jhumri Tilaiya's history is a reminder of how a small town can leave a lasting impact on the world, one shimmering flake at a time. Jhumri Tilaiya holds a unique distinction in India's cultural landscape. Nestled in the heart of Jharkhand, this small town is not just known for its picturesque beauty, but also for its rich cultural heritage. The town's name might not ring a bell for many, but for those who grew up in the era of radio, Jhumri Tilaiya is synonymous with a unique musical tradition. It is renowned for its enduring love affair with radio. In the days before digital music and streaming services, the radio was the lifeline of entertainment and information. Jhumri Tilaiya embraced this medium with unparalleled enthusiasm. Radios were not just devices, they were companions, storytellers, and the heartbeat of the community. The town gained fame for its residents' passion for requesting songs on Vivid Bharati, a popular radio station. Every household had a radio, and every radio had a story. The residents would eagerly wait for their favorite programs, and the joy of hearing a song request being played was unparalleled. It was a matter of pride and joy to hear one's name on the airwaves, dedicating a song to a loved one or celebrating a special occasion. This unique tradition brought joy and entertainment to countless listeners across the nation. Families would gather around the radio, creating memories that would last a lifetime. The radio was a unifying force, bringing people together, transcending barriers of age, gender, and social status. It was a shared experience, a collective joy that resonated through the airwaves. The airwaves became a platform for sharing emotions, dedicating melodies, and connecting with loved ones. It was a time when music was a bridge, connecting hearts and souls. The radio requests were not just about songs, they were about stories, emotions, and connections. Each request carried a piece of someone's heart, a message of love, hope, or nostalgia. Even today, the legacy of radio song requests continues to enchant visitors and residents alike. The charm of Jhumri Tilaiya's musical tradition lives on, a testament to the town's enduring love for music and community. As the world moves forward with new technologies, the spirit of Jhumri Tilaiya's radio days remains a beautiful reminder of a time when music truly brought people together. Section 5. Festivals and Flavors. Celebrating life in Jhumri Tilaiya. Jhumri Tilaiya is a melting pot of cultures and traditions. Festivals are celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm, showcasing the region's rich heritage. Durga Puja, Diwali and Chhath Puja are among the most prominent festivals. During these festive occasions, the town comes alive with vibrant decorations, traditional music and dance performances. The air is filled with a sense of joy and communal harmony. Section 6. A taste of tradition, culinary delights. No journey to Jhumri Tilaiya is complete without savouring its delectable cuisine. The local food reflects the simplicity and flavours of the region. One must try the traditional dishes like litti chokha, a savoury dish made with roasted wheat balls and mashed potatoes. Another local favourite is duska, a deep-fried pancake made with rice and lentils. These culinary delights offer a tantalising experience for food enthusiasts. Section 7. A New Dawn. Progress and Development. Jhumri Tilaiya is gradually embracing modernity while preserving its unique charm. The town has witnessed significant development in recent years with improved infrastructure and connectivity. New roads, schools and hospitals are being built to cater to the growing needs of the population. The government is also focusing on promoting tourism and attracting investment in the region. Section 8. Tourism beckons, unveiling the hidden gem. Jhumri Tilaiya has immense potential to become a sought-after tourist destination. Its natural beauty, historical significance and cultural vibrancy offer a unique and enriching experience. The government is taking steps to promote tourism by developing infrastructure and creating awareness about the town's attractions. With its serene landscapes, cultural heritage and warm hospitality, Jhumri Tilaiya is poised to captivate the hearts of travelers. Section 9. Conclusion. A tapestry of charm and heritage. Jhumri Tilaiya is a town where history, culture and nature intertwine to create a tapestry of charm and heritage. Nestled in the heart of Jharkhand, this quaint town is a living testament to the rich and diverse cultural fabric of India. Its story is one of resilience, tradition and an unyielding spirit that has withstood the test of time. The town's charm lies not just in its scenic beauty, but in the stories of its people, their traditions, and the harmonious blend of the old and the new. From the shimmering legacy of mica to the melodious tradition of radio song requests, the town holds a special place in India's cultural landscape. The mica mines, once the lifeblood of the town, tell tales of an era when Jhumri Tilaiya was a bustling hub of activity. The glistening mica extracted from the earth not only contributed to the local economy, but also found its way into products worldwide. Alongside this industrial heritage, the town's unique radio culture flourished. In the days before digital playlists, residents would send song requests to All India Radio, making Jhumri Tilaiya a household name across the nation. This tradition of music and community spirit continues to resonate with the people, keeping the town's legacy alive. Its natural beauty, delectable cuisine, and warm hospitality make it an ideal destination for travelers seeking an offbeat experience. The lush green landscapes, dotted with serene lakes and rolling hills, offer a picturesque escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The local markets, brimming with fresh produce and traditional delicacies, provide a sensory delight for food enthusiasts. The aroma of spices, the vibrant colors of fruits and vegetables, and the cheerful banter of vendors create an atmosphere that is both lively and welcoming. Visitors are often enchanted by the simplicity and warmth of the local people, who are always eager to share their stories and traditions with outsiders. As Jhumri Tilaiya embraces progress while preserving its unique identity, it continues to shine as a hidden gem in the heart of Jharkhand. The town's skyline is a blend of modern infrastructure and traditional architecture, symbolizing the seamless integration of the past and the present. The scenic sunsets over Jhumri Tilaiya paint the sky in hues of orange and pink, offering a breathtaking view that captivates both residents and visitors alike. As the town moves forward, it remains rooted in its heritage, ensuring that the essence of Jhumri Tilaiya is never lost. This balance of progress and preservation makes it a unique destination, where every corner has a story to tell and every visit leaves a lasting impression.